Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me. As you know, my name is Colin. I'm the president of CRC Universal Incorporated. As we enter our new fiscal year, we are set with a decision to renew or change our existing insurance plans. As you know from our previous meetings, we are looking to implement a new plan. The point of this presentation is to inform you on the two options that we had in mind and to tell you the decision that the firm has made for the new insurance plan for this next fiscal year. The first option is United Healthcare Plan. This plan offers a low deductible, a low cost for generic drugs and doctor visits, out-of-network coverage, dental, vision, and life insurance along with your medical coverage, and it totals $279.98. The annual deductible is only $4,500. Doctor visit costs are $40. Generic drugs will be $20. It does have out-of-network coverage. The out-of-pocket limit that you can pay is $8,150. This is not a health savings account. The price per dental for each month is $12.50. It is $362 per month for vision, and for life it comes down to $1.13 per month. For qualifying dependents, you can also add them under your coverage for $50 extra a month per dependent. This will bring the total up to around $330 per month. However, we know this is a lot. We will be able to work out payment options that fit your needs. The next option we have is Humana. The total monthly cost is $236.59. It has $0 for doctor visit costs, $0 for generic drugs. As you can see, there's no dental, vision, or life insurance that's attached to this plan. This is due to the fact that it is an HSA, which is a health savings account for all of you that did not know, which means it is a tax-advantaged account created for individuals who are covered under high deductible plans to save for qualified medical expenses that are over and above a plan's coverage limits and or exclusions. The contributions are made into the account by you or the firm and are limited to a maximum amount each year. However, this plan may offer a lower monthly cost. Some medical events may not be covered compared to the other plan, which is United Healthcare. Going on, our decision is United Healthcare Plan. We made this decision as it will ensure all employees and their dependents stay under coverage. By using United Healthcare, we will save money previously paid for healthcare coverage for both our firm and us as well. We know many of you have dependents who rely on you, so we know that coverage plans can be expensive just as much as they are needed. Therefore, another reason why we are choosing this option is to help pay into the coverage you receive and your dependents receive, which is just another way that we would like to express our gratitude that you are with us as we grow and succeed. Moving on, if you have any further questions, please do let me know by contacting me at my personal number anytime and set up a date to discuss them in private. There will also be further information on our network page when you sign in using your employee IDs, which is made available at the end of this conference call. Thank you for your time, everyone. Please have a great day and be safe in these changing times.